Yeah, so a response to Gary's vid on the Drake equation stuff.
People should exercise them. There should be an exhaustive argument based on all of these logical arguments to come up with some sort of rational truth here, rather than all this hokey pokey. Everybody just makes up their own bullshit based on something stupid. I think it's just stupid for big brainy scientists with PhD after their name and shit to be using nonsense arguments like philosophies are inherited and because life showed up early on planet Earth, it means it happens all the time. This isn't good enough, scientists. Really, I mean, a high school graduate, I know that isn't good. I know it's not good enough. That's a bad argument. You gotta do better than that, buddy. Worked at NASA and shit and all this crap, all this fucking high-tech, brilliant science bullshit, and, you know, to sit there and pull shit like that out of your ass. You know, well, because it happened early, it proves it's easy. Bullshit. It didn't prove a damn thing, especially when it only happened once. Can't tell nothing from one event. Can't. And what you can tell from the circumstantial fact that there's not another one somewhere in 4 billion years, nothing else has shown up and said, I'm here and I can play this game too, sort of indicates that maybe they too much.
Agree that the observation that life got going as early as it did, you know, although that's interesting, doesn't tell you very much, especially, you know, with a sample of one. But similarly, I'm not sure that you can say very much about the fact that we only have to invoke one common ancestor for all the organisms alive today. It doesn't mean that life only happened once. It might mean that, but it ain't necessarily so.